In this video, we're gonna solve a full state-space question. So firstly, we have the system which looks like this. U of t is a displacement input. Here we have k, and here we have displacement x labeled. So very quick, the equation of motion for this is gonna look like this. Now we can do the state space equations. So they look like this. This is the standard template that you're gonna fill in every single time you do a question related to state space. And x is cz plus du. So A and B are the input matrices, and CD are the output matrices. So let's do A and B first. Remember how you start with z1 dot, z2 dot, and we label them here. z1 equals x, z2 equals x dot. We just have one mass, so we're gonna have two state space variables. And this is equal to so this is the z dot matrix, and then A, z1, z2, plus this is B, this is A, and here outside we have U. So all of this just follows the template that's given to you over here. Now z1 dot is equal to x dot, which is equal to z2. So we have 0 times z1 and 1 times z2, and here we have a 0. Then z2 dot is equal to x double dot, and x double dot is gonna be equal to, so remember you have to do this. So we have negative kx over m, negative b x dot minus u dot over m equal to x double dot. So now z2 dot is equal to negative kx over m minus bx dot over m plus bu dot over m now we can relabel them here as well. So x is z1, x dot is z2, and over here we have a problem. We have bu dot, and in here we do not have u dot. So where are we gonna put the b over m? Therefore, we're gonna have to change our variables in order to cancel this bu dot over m out. So what we can do is, we see here that it's a plus bu dot over m. You go to, because you're facing this problem in z2 dot, you go to the equation for z2 dot, and here you say minus bu dot over m, minus bu over m. Now things are gonna change. So z2 dot is gonna be, if we rearrange this, so z2 dot is x double dot minus b u dot over m, so minus bu dot over m, And when we make this equation, we're gonna have to add the new term. So minus bu dot over m so x double dot minus okay, so we have this here as well. All of this was from the equation above, and now we have this extra term that we got because we changed our state space variable z2. Now we see that this cancels out, so we don't have to worry about u dot anymore because it's gone. However, because you changed z2 dot, remember we changed z2, sorry. Remember that here, when we said x dot equals z2, that is no longer the case. And now x dot is actually equal to z2. So if you rearrange this, z2 plus bu over m, right? And therefore, the entries we put in the matrix, in the matrices, are gonna change. So initially where we said we have 0u, we now have b over mu. And